I'd love to show you this beautiful new pattern we have. It's leaves, two shapes of leaves. It just takes 1/4 yard of 2 pieces of fabric to make this. So you can find scraps. It just comes out beautiful. It can be a Christmas if you use Christmas fabrics. This is a fun pattern. We have a video tutorial for you to watch, but we're offering it as a free download if you submit a picture of one of your quilt creations. So it's pretty easy to do. Just go to our website, www.thimble, like on your finger, Thimble-Art.com, and then go to that top menu. And if you go there, it will take you to a place where you can submit your quilt. It's pretty easy just to put in your information and then add your image. So you just click on that. Will take you to your place in your computer where you want to go to find your image. Put in your description, and then just if you want us to share it, just put yes and upload. That is how easy it is. Then we'll send you a code to download this beautiful pattern for free. But it's just till the end of the month. So I hope you will do this and enjoy the fun of creating. So thanks for watching. Come check us out. And we'll see you later with more beautiful designs coming.